You're right. তোর বার্থডে আমাকে ছাড়া আসলেই সেম না, and that's why somehow I have to be present. Anyway, this isn't about me, this is about you. By the way, this isn't planned. This is like really, really sudden. I think you can already understand because, but yeah, I think like this is gonna bring a smile on your face and maybe a few tears. Happy birthday, Zareen Tasneem Ahmed Mimma Urf Pagli Urf Poodoodle Urf so many other things. I love you.
La 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 la.
হ্যাপি বার্থডে মামা, ভালো থাকিস, খোঁজ খবর নিস মাঝে সাঝে।
Hello, buddy. How are you? I really hope you're doing well. And I wanted to sing this for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear buddy. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy this day to the fullest and stay healthy and safe. Bye now.
Hey, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Zareen! Happy birthday, Zareen. I hope you have a wonderful day and an amazing year. I'm so happy that I got to meet you this year and that we got to live together.
Happy birthday, Zareen. I hope you have an amazing day. Love you so much. Happy birthday, Zareen. I hope you like the surprise. And I'm really sorry I couldn't be there for your birthday, but I'm there in my spirit. Um, I hope you have a great day. And I just want you to know that you are the strongest person that I know in this country, literally. Keep me posted on what happens throughout the day, and stay tuned for your birthday present, even though it's gonna be a little late, but I'll get there when I'll get there, and you'll know. Yeah, just let me know however your day goes. And again, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zareen. Happy birthday to you.
at the afternoon. You got this room for two. One thing I love to do, discover me, discovering you. 1 mile to every inch of your skin like porcelain. 1 pair of candy lips and bookworm tongue. And if you want love, make it. Swim in a deep sea of blankets. Take all your big plans and break them. This is bound to be a while. Body is a wonderland. Body is a wonder, I'll use my hand. Body is a wonderland. Something about the way the hair falls in your face. I love the shape you take when crawling towards the pillowcase. You tell me where to go, and though I might leave to find it, I'll never let your head hit the bed without my hand behind it. 1 love, make it. Swim in a deep sea of blankets. Take all your big plans and break them. This is bound to be a while. Body is a wonderland. Your body is a wonder, I'll use my hand. Body is a wonderland. Never speaking out again, I'll use my hands. I've got the kind of love in my hands to last all seasons and seasons and da 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 da